Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Germantown local and long-distance movers near me. Moving from Germantown to a new state or cross-country can be an intimidating prospect. There's a lot to plan, a lot to do, and a lot to arrange before you can complete your move. So why not simplify things by hiring our Germantown long-distance movers? At 3 Movers, we've got a fleet of modern trucks, a team of experienced and polite movers, and an unbeatable dedication to affordable, timely long-distance moving services in Germantown and Maryland. Contact us now to learn more and get started today. Moving locally in Germantown? You don't have to waste your weekend arranging a DIY move, finding friends and family to help, renting a truck, and hauling your stuff on your own. You can let our movers take care of the job for you. With affordable in-town moving rates, plenty of equipment, modern vans and trucks, and a professional, friendly attitude, our movers will come to your door, handle the entire moving process, and ensure you can save time, stay safe, and avoid the headaches involved with a local DIY move in Germantown. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Germantown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.